Linking your bank account to Google Drive allows you to manage your financial documents and transactions more efficiently. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Launch Google Drive on your device by visiting the website or opening the app. Ensure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access Settings. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Look for the option related to linking accounts or managing payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, navigate to the section that allows you to manage payment methods. This is where you can add or link your bank account. Step 4. Add Bank Account. Choose the option to add a new bank account. You will need to enter your bank details, including the account number and routing number. Follow any additional prompts to verify your account. Step 5. Confirm and save. Once you have entered all necessary information, review it for accuracy. Confirm the details and save the changes to link your bank account successfully. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Google Drive, making it simpler to manage your financial documents.